Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set Ready CP. So today we are going to see about brake pad change for any car that is equipped with disc brake at the front, and this procedure is going to be common for any car that has disc brake at the front. Please note that. And for now we have Ford Figo Aspect, which is our car. So for our car we are going to change this brake pad. So let me begin the process. So first what we have to do is we have to remove the wheel nut and wheel, and this wheel nut has few problems for which I have a proper solution to. Everything has been posted in a separate video. I have placed a link in the description. Please have a look. So the first thing is we have to remove the wheel nut, and this wheel nut, as mentioned, I'm not able to loosen this directly with the socket that is provided. Rather I have to use some hammer to get the work done, which is the issue I'm facing, and that video has been placed separately. This is actually a simple process. By doing this, for sure you can save some $1,000 for sure. You can see the spanner getting slipped, right? That is the main issue because of this lug nut. And finally it's done. Next what we have to do is we have to place the jack in its position. So the right position to keep the jack is, you can see 2 points, right? So you have to place in between these 2 points. That would be the right position where the chassis can bear the whole weight. And also this is one unique thing with Ford, that is, even to lift the jack, right, we don't have a separate rod. Rather that is going to use the same 19 mm socket that we use to remove the wheel nut. They are provided in that way. And the way how to unlock that extension rod and the socket rod and also the stepney jack, everything I have posted a separate video. Link is in the description. Now we have placed it in the right position. We have to just lift the car. Okay, so we have lifted to the required amount of height. Next what we have to do is we have to just remove the wheel nut that we have loosened earlier. Since we have loosened earlier, now we can remove this directly with our bare hand. It's very easy. Okay, now we can take the wheel out. That is the rotor and the brake caliper. So next thing what we have to do is we have to loosen the brake caliper to remove the brake pad. So to loosen that, there is a nut at that side which is of 12 mm. Okay, it can be removed either with a socket or even a 12 mm regular spanner. That's up to you. Since I have a socket, I am going to use my socket. And this is on front, right? So for this you have to push down to loosen. So push down, okay? Only then it will get loosened. Now I have removed that. Now I can just lift this caliper, and you can see the brake pad, right? So this brake pad I have to remove one by one, and this is a straightforward method. There is no complexity in this. Anyone can do this. And to remove this, gently gently pull out with your normal hand. Don't give too much pressure, just remove gently. It will come out easily. There is no lock or something like that. Similarly on that side. Okay, now we have removed the brake pad. If you can see, it's completely worn out. The car has run 35,000 kilometers and it has got completely worn out. So it's advisable to replace on every 30 to 35,000 kilometers, even though if there is some 20 to 30% life left over. Don't care about it. Please replace it. And before that, we have to clean our rotor. So for that, I have bought a liquid from Worth. That is nothing but Worth brake cleaner. It's available easily in Amazon. So just spray it all over the rotor because this will completely eliminate the grease, mud, sand, dirt, whatever it is present, which is present in the rotor, right? Everything will get removed. The one main advantage of changing these in our home is this only. We can take additional care and we can use additional product like this as per our wish, and we can clean them end to end very clean and neat. And at the same time, many may get a question like, can we use WD-40 instead of this? Actually, WD-40 is not meant for cleaning, it's meant for removing the rust. So both has different purpose, and the time taken to evaporate for WD-40 is higher, rather this one takes fraction of seconds to get evaporated. Okay, so it's always better to use brake cleaner alone. And also most of the grease, oil kind of stuff gets stuck only in the front part. But since we are cleaning it by ourselves, right, we can clean even the back side of the rotor also. I'm not sure whether you can see, but if you see at the bottom, most of the dirt is getting fallen down. It's completely black at the bottom. So wherever you see some grease, oil or mud stuck over in the brake pad or the brake cylinder, right, just spray this liquid a little and wipe it off thoroughly so that there will be nothing. It will be looking like as new as it is. I can see some mud in the cylinder, so I am using that over there. Sorry for the bad camera angle. In case if you have to have a look over the cylinder, you can see another video which I have posted for the left hand side brake pad change. That will have some clear picture over there. I'll keep the link in the description. Okay, with this the complete cleaning has been completed, but still I could see some mud over there, so that's why. Okay, so cleaning is completely done. Next we will place our new brake pad in the position. So the same way, just place it in its position and push gently. That's it. It gets placed easily. There is no difficulty over this. So one side it's done. Similarly for the other side. Place and push. That's it. Okay, now let me try to close the caliper. It's not getting closed because the cylinder is staying outside. We have to push it inside, which means we have to compress the cylinder inside. So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my extension rod that I have, right, with this I'm just going to push it. This is the only time consuming part in the whole process because the cylinder will be very strong. Pushing that inside is a very difficult task, but you will get used to it once you try to do one or two brake pad changes. To have a clear view of this, you can check the left side brake pad changing video, which I have posted the link at the description. It's going very slowly. That's the thing. I think it has gone inside well. Yes, the caliper is getting fitted now. That's it. With this, the whole process has been completed. Now we have to put the nut back which we have removed, right? The same 12 nut. So to tighten, we have to push up. Okay. It's a normal hand tight, it won't go beyond that point. This is the reason many people actually ignore to do this kind of stuff, right? So don't worry, even if you tight, it will go to its maximum limit. So the rotor is rotating fine, and now we are done with the process. Next, what you have to do is we have to place the wheel back in its position. So height is not enough, we have to lift a bit. Now, yes, it's getting fitted. Put all the 4 nuts up to the hand tight level. And then remove the jack, post which we have to tighten all the 4 nuts to the maximum using the socket that we have. And while tightening the nut, right, just follow one thumb rule. The nut will be in the order of 1 2 3 4, but you have to tighten like 1 3 followed by 2 and 4. So the diagonal nut should be tightened as I do right now. So that's it. With this we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And I'm using hammer because we have issue with the nut. Thank you.